Today I will be showing you how to put images next to each other in Card. To begin, there has to be a container with multiple columns for this to work properly. In Card, containers help organize your layout, and using multiple columns allows elements to sit side by side instead of stacking vertically. Make sure you already have a container with at least 2 columns added to your page so the images will align correctly. Next, click the Add Element button. From the list of options, select Image to insert a new image element into your site. Once the element appears, upload the image you want to display. After the upload finishes, you should immediately see the image on your page. Now, click and drag the image into your desired column inside the container. Be careful to place it fully within the column so it stays aligned with your layout. Proper placement helps keep your design clean and visually balanced. After positioning the first image, do the same for the other photo. Click Add Element again, choose Image, upload your second photo, and then drag it into the column beside the first photo. Once both images are placed in separate columns, they will automatically appear next to each other. If you want to make your images more visually engaging, you can also add an animation effect. Click on one of the images to open its settings panel. Then look for the animations section. Under the On Load option, you can choose how the image appears when the page opens. For this tutorial, let's choose None. Then click Done to apply the changes. Take a moment to preview your site to ensure the images are aligned, evenly spaced, and animating smoothly for visitors. And that's how you to move elements in Card. Thank you for watching.